The Nilight ZH002 20-inch 126W spot flood combo off-road LED light bar, accompanied by two 18W 4-inch LED pods and a 16 AWG wiring harness kit, presents an impressive solution for those seeking enhanced visibility in off-road conditions. Designed for versatility, this product combines a strong light output of 126 watts with a strategic spot and flood beam pattern, ensuring a broad and powerful illumination suitable for various terrains and driving scenarios. Installation is straightforward due to the comprehensive wiring harness included, which simplifies the setup process for users, whether they are mounting it on a tractor or any other vehicle. This system comes with a 3-lead configuration, providing flexibility in how and where the lights can be attached. The durability of the materials used is commendable, with the lights being built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, making them ideally suited for outdoor adventures.